Hello and welcome to the How to Earn $1,000 a Month by Swing Trading Crypto series. In this video we're going to talk about Quantum Resistance Ledger or QRL. So go ahead and smash the like button, leave a comment and subscribe to the channel. If you're already subscribed, please welcome back. Nothing I say in this video is financial advice. Please do your own research. I'm simply sharing my experience and my path with you. Only invest what you can stand to lose or be stuck holding for a long period of time. And beware of the spam of the comments. Two types of spam, they're pretty common. You'll see someone asking how to move crypto from a wallet to an exchange, providing a security word phrase. Please never share your security word phrase with anyone. The next type of spam is going to be a conversation started by someone saying, I'm new to trading crypto or I'm a newbie, and a conversation will ensue when initially, and then eventually someone's going to try to lead you to a Telegram or a WhatsApp site and then an attempt to scam you. So please stay away from those two types of spam and know that they're in no way affiliated with the channel. All right. So QRL, or Quantum Resistance Ledger. If you've already invested in QRL, mine, bought, hold, or sold, or plan to do more research and in the future, go ahead and put a hashtag QRL in the comments. In this video, we're going to talk about QRL and its all-time high, basically when it occurred, and what the price was, and anything that influenced that price around that time. Then we're going to look into five of the top, or we're going to look at the actual price action over the last 3 weeks or 23 days from Quantum Resistance Ledger, and then we'll pick out those 5 top trading opportunities and see how much they would return, how much money those investments would return. We'll also look at the high and low price during that 23 days, the last 23 days for QRL. Then we'll see if there's any other trading opportunities outside of the top 5. Once we do that, we're going to look at also simulating a trade 5 times for each of those opportunities where a $3,000 investment was made, and to see if you were able to make $1,000 a month or within that 3 days, or see how close you were within that 23 days out of 30 to make $1,000. And once we do that, we'll look at the tokenomics of QRL. We'll look at things like the current price. Then we'll look at the market cap along with a lot of other or some more important information that will help us better price predict QRL for trading in the future. All right, so what was the all-time high for QRL? So the all-time high was $3.87, and this happened January 9th, 2018. So this was prior to 2021. It never captured that during 2021, but as you can see, it kind of moves different than most other crypto. It's not on major exchanges, but it is proof of work and can be mined. So let's look at the price action over the last 3 weeks and see what opportunity it provided for us. So here we are, Quantum Resistance Ledger, June 22nd to July 15th. 23 days, and the highest price happened on July 5th here, $1.15, and the lowest price was 64 cents on July 22. So it did go with the market on the lowest date, and it's kind of similar, but it dipped with a lot of them. It's like it's ahead. It might be ahead of a lot of coins on this rise and this fall. So we'll see. All right, so let's look at our trading opportunities here, and we'll see here on the 22nd through the 24th, a 2-day turnaround for 14.7% return. And on the 27th through the 3rd, looks like a 6-day turnaround, 27.7%. Then on the 3rd to the 5th, 25.2% turnaround in 5 days, or in 3 days. That's excellent. Then here, July 7th to the 8th, or actually July 7th to the 10th, that's a 3-day, 19.8%. And then the 9th or 10th of July to the 12th of July, 2 days for 11.3%. So let's look and see if there's any other. There's a little one here, might barely cover exchange fees, but this one is much better. I think that's 5 to 7% here from this low to this high, and about a 4 or 5%. From here to there, maybe 2 or 3. Then from here to there, maybe 3 to 4%. So yeah, looks good as far as the high percentage of trading for QRL. Now let's look and see how much these profit margins would have brought us in dollars. Starting with the 14.7%, of course, we're going to take 3,000 and multiply it by the decimal of 0.147, which is equal to 14.7%. And that value will give you the cash. So let's add these up. So it's 14.7 will get us $441. The 27.7 would give us $831. That's really good. 25.2 would give us $756. And this 19.8 will give us $594. And finally, this 11.3 will give us $339 for a total of $2,961. So you could have tripled your, or had the potential to triple your goal in 23 days, with a whole another 7 days left to trade with QRL. So that looks excellent. And as always, if let's say we were not dead on, but had a 15% margin from the bottom and the top of all of these trades, we'll multiply this by 0.7, and that's 15 plus 15 is 30. So that'll give us 70%. So if we're 70%, we'll have $2,072 still, with a whole week left of trading. So you would have still doubled your goal in QRL. So QRL for this time frame has been an excellent. We go into the excellent category, or maybe even superb, because maybe there was one other coin that topped that mark for this time period. All right, so let's go ahead and look at the tokenomics of QRL. And we have the current price at 85 cents. We're at 0.8575, almost 86 cents. The market cap is way down there at 631, which only comes in at $67 million market cap. Now, the cool thing about having a small market cap is it gives it room to grow faster. So if it takes off, it doesn't need that much action to take off, as opposed to something with billions and billions of a market cap, 67 billion, take a little longer. All right, 24-hour trading volume is only $66,000. Circulating volume is 78,392, so 78 million and some change. So here we have 105 million is the max supply, and because it is proof of work, some of these are to be mined, some of them are held in escrow. Not sure if there's any release, but we'll look at that on the next QRL video to find out what's going on between these max coins and the total supply and the circulating supply. All right. So that's QRL. So if you found this video useful, go ahead and smash the like button, leave a comment, and subscribe to the channel. Remember, when you subscribe to the channel, you get notified when new material is posted. And if you haven't done so already, if you plan on, if you're interested in QRL, looking for more, plan to do more research or to invest in the future, go ahead and put the hashtag QRL in the comments. And if you want to see other cryptos broken down in the same manner, go ahead and hit that rectangle in the middle of your screen. And then if you want to see what else, other information that the channel provides, go ahead and hit the circle in the bottom right of your screen. All right. So thanks for watching. Take care, and we'll see you on the next one.